Hey guys, welcome back to Taz the Marker. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I feed baby Cher. So Cher is an African grey baby parrot and he's on porridge at the moment. So I'm using the brand AV Plus parrot hand rearing porridge. So if you're in South Africa, this is a very good brand to use. Okay, so we're on phase 2 because he is over 2 weeks. So he is on 4 feeds at the moment per day. So that's about 2 scoops of porridge. And then we're going to add some hot water. We're going to give this a mix. Okay, so we want more of a runny consistency. The porridge cannot be too thick. So basically we want it like this. For those of you who haven't met baby Cher, there we go. He's just over 4 weeks old now. And it's his feeding time. Okay, so I use a syringe to give him his food. So you can see he's very hungry. So I've allowed this to cool. So all we're going to do is we are going to hold his beak like this. And we're going to insert the syringe. Bismillah. And you gradually release. Okay, always keep a tissue on hand if you missed. Another way to feed is using a spoon. Add a little bit to the spoon. Same procedure, hold his beak up, insert the spoon. It's a little bit more messier to feed with the spoon, so I prefer the syringe. Okay, we are now done feeding Cher. So I'm just going to do a little bit wipe of the excess porridge that's on his beak and on his feathers. As you can see, the way to know that your bird is full, the crutch here, you can see it's full. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe him down. It's okay, boy. It's okay. Okay, and then we're done. Then you can either dry the area with hair dryer, or you can just leave them in the sun to dry. Thank you for joining our feeding session with Cher. I hope you enjoyed the session, and we will bring you more tips on how to grow your hand-reared baby parrots. Goodbye for now.